Okay, I promise you it's my last video for this month. Okay. Guys, this is my last video. I'm doing the remote this time. I'm not doing the cards anymore. And cardboards, alright? No more cardboards. Yeah, I just don't want to hit them, that's all. It's just too dangerous. Yeah, it's just too dangerous. Anyway, I thought we can use this fancy remote control to give it a whack with this fancy pencil. I got some colored pencils in the bucket, and there's some in my tin. My mug, which I chipped it by mistake. That was there before, and then I made it worse. And yeah, you until you stupid thing trying to break it. Luckily, the pencils are in there, so it's safer. So we're in a good condition. No one's hurt. Except for that lost car. She got hurt a little bit. Got chipped. Anyway, let's start whacking the car. Let's start whacking like this with my control. You said the car, right? No. Alright. Alright, I'm gonna have a turn first, and then the lost cars could have a go. I gotta be careful it's not like this stupid outlet was too dangerous. Don't knock it. No, but I hit. Ah! Stop! Blue car! Stop it! Blue car! Oh, his video's wrecked. Cloth going everywhere. Why'd you do that? It's part of the video. Oh, right. Oh, that's why. It's the pencil. I don't know where it goes, but it disappeared. Oh, stupid pencil. Oh, I got some color ones in a bucket. My good one ready. Nice good pencil. Your favorite? Oh, pink. Cool. Why are we doing this? Because, hang on. Because it's part of the video, that's probably why. Really? Are you sure, dude? It's just not part of the video. But it is, actually. I did your friend Amy already, was it? And so I don't think so. Yeah? Forget it. They're both broke anyway. Put this little bit back in now. I won't bother to change the pencils anyway. Wanna try it? Gee, I don't know how to use it. It's broke. Stuck it back in if you want. Like that. Just chuck it. Except for the pencil case. Alright, can we go back at the table? What now? Yeah. I just feel a bit unsafe, that's all. I say you give up my fancy pink pencil. They broke on me. Well, yeah, it did actually. Dude, what the heck? Oh no, it's alright. Bro, what the heck? Why did the cardboard land in my freaking nose? What this night light? Oh, stupid dumb outlet. Ted, you're squashing it. Oh, you're squashing it. Oh, sorry. Anyway, that's it for this end of the month. And I'll see you tomorrow for a new season, number 5.